Have you ever looked at a website and wondered how it all comes together? The seamless navigation, the eye-catching design, and the interactive features that keep you engaged? Web development is the magic behind those interactive maps, stylish buttons, and dynamic content. It's the art and science of creating websites that are not only functional, but also visually appealing and user-friendly. This guide will take you on a journey into the world of web development, explaining everything in simple terms. From understanding the basics of HTML and CSS, to diving into more complex topics like JavaScript and server-side programming. Get ready to learn the basics and start building your own amazing websites. We'll break down each concept step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and apply what you've learned. This guide is your roadmap to understanding the core concepts of web development. Think of it as your personal mentor, guiding you through the intricacies of coding and design. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation. You'll gain the skills needed to create responsive, dynamic websites that work seamlessly across different devices. We'll cover the essentials of front-end and back-end development, giving you a comprehensive understanding of how websites are built from the ground up. Introduce you to popular languages and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue, which are essential tools in modern web development, and explore the world of databases. You'll learn how to manage and manipulate data, an essential skill for any web developer. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of what web development entails and the different paths you can take. Whether you want to become a front-end developer, a back-end specialist, or a full-stack developer, the choice is yours. So let's dive in and uncover the exciting world of web development together. Your journey to becoming a skilled web developer starts here. Web development is like building a house. The front end is the exterior, the part that everyone sees and interacts with. The back end is the foundation, plumbing, and electrical systems that make everything work behind the scenes. Front-end development focuses on the user interface, UI, the visual elements of a website that users see and interact with. This includes everything from the layout and design to buttons, menus, and animations. Imagine arranging furniture and decorating your house to make it visually appealing and user-friendly. Back-end development, on the other hand, deals with the server side of things. This involves handling data storage, user authentication, and other behind-the-scenes operations. Think of it as managing the electrical wiring, plumbing, and structural integrity of your house to ensure everything functions smoothly. Front-end developers are like the architects and interior designers of the web. They use a combination of languages and frameworks to create the look, feel, and interactivity of websites. The three core languages of front-end development are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure and content of a web page, like text, images, and links. CSS is used to style the HTML elements, controlling aspects like colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites, making them more engaging and user-friendly. To streamline the development process, front-end developers often use frameworks like React.js, Angular, Vue.js, and Bootstrap. These frameworks provide pre-built components, libraries, and tools that help developers create complex and responsive websites more efficiently and effectively. Section 4. The engine behind the scenes back-end development. Back-end developers are the engineers and problem solvers who work behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. They use server-side languages to build the logic and functionality that power websites and web applications. Some popular back-end languages include Node.js, Python, PHP, Ruby, and Java. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of language often depends on the specific project requirements. Similar to front-end development, back-end developers also utilize frameworks to streamline the development process. Frameworks like Express.js for Node.js, Django for Python, Spring Boot for Java, and Laravel for PHP provide pre-built modules and tools that simplify common tasks such as routing, database interaction, and security. Section 5. Organizing databases and how to use them. Databases are essential components of most web applications. They serve as the backbone for storing and managing data, ensuring that information is readily accessible when needed. They act as organized collections of data, allowing websites to store, manage, and retrieve information efficiently. This organization is crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of web applications. Imagine a library with a well-organized catalog system that makes it easy to find the books you need. Similarly, databases provide a structured way to access and manage data, making it easier to find and use the information stored within them. There are two main types of databases: relational, also known as SQL, and NoSQL databases. Each type has its own strengths and is suited for different kinds of applications and data requirements. Relational databases, like MySQL and PostgreSQL, store data in tables with rows and columns, which makes it easy to perform structured queries and maintain data relationships. Allowing for structured queries and data relationships. This structure is particularly useful for applications that require complex querying and data integrity. NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and Cassandra offer more flexibility in terms of data structure. They are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured data, making them ideal for big data applications and real-time web apps, and are better suited for handling large volumes of unstructured data. This flexibility allows developers to store data in a way that best fits their application's needs without being constrained by a fixed schema. To interact with databases, developers use Object Relational Mapping or ORM tools. These tools simplify the process of working with databases by allowing developers to interact with the database using their preferred programming language. ORMs act as intermediaries between the application code and the database, translating code into database queries and vice versa, simplifying data operations and making it easier to work with different database systems. This abstraction layer helps developers to focus on writing application logic without worrying about the underlying database complexities. Section 6: The All-Rounder Full-Stack Development. Full-stack developers are the versatile all-rounders of the web development world. They possess expertise in both front-end and back-end development, allowing them to handle all aspects of building a web application. Think of them as the general contractors who can manage every stage of building a house, from the foundation to the finishing touches. Full-stack developers need to be proficient in a wide range of technologies, including front-end languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, back-end languages such as Node.js and Python, databases both SQL and NoSQL, and various frameworks. Being a full-stack developer offers a holistic understanding of web development and allows for greater flexibility and control over projects. However, it also requires a significant investment in learning and mastering a wide array of technologies. Section 7. Choosing your path: Popular stacks to explore. A tech stack refers to the combination of technologies used to build and run a web application. It includes both front-end and back-end technologies, databases, and other tools that work together to create a functional and efficient application. Choosing the right tech stack is crucial for the success of any project. It can significantly impact the performance, scalability, and maintainability of your application. Some popular tech stacks include the MERN stack, which consists of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. This stack is known for its efficiency in building dynamic single-page applications. The MEAN stack, which includes MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js. It's a popular choice for developing robust and maintainable web applications. And the LAMP stack, which is made up of Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. This stack has been a reliable choice for many developers over the years, especially for server-side scripting. Each stack has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice often depends on factors such as project requirements, team expertise, and scalability needs. It's important to weigh these factors carefully before making a decision. As you embark on your web development journey, it's essential to research and experiment with different technologies and stacks to find the ones that best suit your interests and career goals. Don't be afraid to try out new tools and frameworks, as this will help you become a more versatile and skilled developer.